Oh, so much fish. So many. You've never done this before, eh? You're on the boat?
We've done it once with the
Guide?
yeah. They're fishing up there year round.
Yeah, it is year round fishing. There you go, bottom rod.
Yeah, it's good. It's coming up, Yuri. Yeah, I got a tension on. Yeah, I need somebody to rotate this downrigger once to the right, once it's up. Yeah, I'm vertical now. I'm getting vertical. Yeah, flash is here. Yeah, there it is. It's coming in easy. I played it a bit. Yeah, nice Chinook. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yes!
Got it!
Finally! Whoa! Hot darn! A nice spring! Yeah, I tried it out a bit more that time.
Oh boy.
Woo! Good job, guys. Nice spring. It may be summer, but it's spring right now, baby!
That's pretty good.
How's the hooks? Are they good?
Yeah, they're money.
Why Hoochie?
Down the freaking Hoochie, man.
I told you, man. I told you why Hoochie's, man.
That's a nice fish.
Our odds are we're gonna go through another 10 fish before we get another one here.
Now we know our problem now.
Well, the thing is, every time I bring new people on the boat, it's always like a learning curve, right? Come on, boys. We gotta catch up here. We're losing too much fish.
Why can't you guys do that?
Yeah, so because it's torqued that way, so you gotta pull it back.
Oh. And then what do you push down or what do you do?
You gotta go this way, push it down, and then rotate.
Okay.
Why Hoochie, baby?
Yeah, why do?
Yeah, man. I've had limit days on those. Okay, Richard, you're next, buddy. Yuri. Oh, that's a big one. I think we need to slow down. Yeah, yours is jumping. That blue on it. Get that downrigger up if you can. Oh, we're both up now, Yuri. Up? Forget it, you got a net now. Who's first? Who's first? Who's first? Holy crap. Yuri's gonna be up to you. Mine's over. Yuri. Richard to the left. He's first.
Yuri, you got the boat here.
Yeah, here's the keeper too. Okay, get the other net. I'm right here. I find the big one too. Both keepers. Wait. No, not yet, net. No. Right here. Oh, no. Yes! Woo! Hey, get in the boat. Lift it up, Yuri.
He's in.
Just like that, we came right back. Woo! Double header!
Dude, right on. Give yourself some slack.
Holy crap, boys! Let me collect myself. 70, 90. No, 60, 80. 60, 80. Cheers. Holy crap. Was that a good show? Bonk him first. That's why you get 2 nets. What a pig. Just like that, we're only 2 away. Okay, my turn. Oh, mine's fatty.
Dude.
Good choice on the blue.
As soon as we put it down, eh? Oh, I'm sweating now.
Oh my god, that is awesome. Good,
Okay.
good choice in shutting off the engine, buddy.
Yeah, Yuri.
Hold on. Pass my phone. I want to take pictures of them both like that. Drop it, Yuri. Yuri's the best net man ever.
Here. On the hooch.
Okay, hold on. Let's clear that deck, then we can fish again.
Yeah.
Did the bike just, dude, I can't believe a double header.
Well, two boats just hooked up and then boom, it was us.
Okay, nice. That's why you double net, man.
Yeah.
Put it in. Just like that, we come right back. That's why we don't give up. Good choice on that color, eh?
Oh man. Unreal. I'll probably be like, what, 80?
84.
76.
Oh, double.
You want to cut him now?
Yeah. It's nicely sharp. That's good food. Yuri said there will be blood. Okay, we need one more of those double headers. We're limited. Good call on that hooch, man.
I wonder if it was just your Hoochie that just made them all come.
Yuri netted both.
As soon as he netted, that's when he dropped it and he grabbed the other one.
I know, don't leave it here though. We've had fish. Oh, yeah. So the trick was there to shut off the engine. Then we had full control, right?
Yeah, because yeah, we were pulling them. Yeah, good job cutting it back, Yuri. That feels good.
It feels really good. Richard finally got one. Yuri needs another. Oh, I'm already limited. Okay, I'll hold the helm then. You guys take care of that. As soon as the sun came out, that UV green just went nuts on us. Okay, I'm going in gear. Yuri, I can't tell you what to do. You know more than me now. Double header. Wow.
Successful double header, right?
Wow. Unbelievable. Well, they said slack the flood tide, right?
Yeah.
The Russian sharpshooter, man. Yuri's gonna get a boat now. He's gonna be the salmon king. Two fish at once. On the same side. Pretty sure it was that change up, bud.
It was.
That change up. Good net job, bud. Excellent net job. I couldn't have explained it better myself. Are my glasses there, Yuri? Yuri must have a fishing simulator at home. He dropped that net so fast.
Oh, he was on that second move.
Second net, Brad, second net. Woo! Ooh, it's hot now.
Yeah.
There seems to be fish with the pack, and I hate that, but it is.
Yeah.
Just like that, we came back.
Richard's already given up. Let's go home.
He already called his wife. Thaw out the steak, honey. No fish tonight. How about cookies and muffins? How about a fish? You want a fish? Oh, I got that Chinooks slime. Yuri, go back to where you were.